Right folks, so we're on the Merit CB700 base station adapter, which I've rebuilt, and if you watch the repair video to that, it's got the wrong power supply. Somebody's taken the power supply out of a 150 quid Harvard base station and shoved it in here for whatever reason. So I've never seen inside what power supply should really be. I think we've got another one of these in stock. I know I paid a tenner for this, but I probably spent 70 quid on parts on it. Anyway, we haven't got... I put a meter lamp in it. It's got a built-in SWR meter, but we're not going to run it through the SWR meter because an SWR meter has an insertion loss, and the UK licensing rules don't want you to have a SWR meter except in for testing from time to time. So we won't do that. We've gone straight in the back of the set. We're using the built-in speaker, so we've got a forward-facing speaker, which is exactly the same kind of speaker as inside the set. I've actually heard it speak. It's not bolted in the adapter. These were made by Great, which is why I'm especially using a Great radio to go with it. So I've heard somebody on 19. We'll go to Mr Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Excellent, off we go.
Roger that.
The radio's doing 3.5 watts. They're a 3.5 watt radio.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, got you passing the house. This radio doesn't have a tone control. If it was screwed in there, it wouldn't be all a skew whiff, would it?
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger on that, we're not particularly late, but it's part of the course.
Roger.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Academy CB702, or is it a CB502, and it's a Great GT848 set. It's doing 3.5 watts. It's a standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger. All received.
Roger. I'm going to be doing the 5 mile point test twice. I'm going to do it as I'm talking you down, and then this base station I've got a built-in SPR meter. I'm going to do it again with the SPR meter in series. We'll see what the insertion loss is like over.
Yeah, roger that, no problem. Right, we're now going over Split Level Crossing. Over.
Let's go again, level crossing.
Passing the Kilby turn.
Have you got your Kilby turn?
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Great turn.
Roger, got yours a Great turn.
Roger. Yeah, 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got your other 5 mile point. So I'm on this Academy CB502 CB700, whatever it's called. Don't know what current is going, but on the test it was 860 milliamps for the 3.5 watt output. I'm going to reach my hand down the back and switch it to 400 to low power, which in this case is just a There we are back at full power. Sorry about no countdown, it was easier than I expected. So did you get that one, and then we'll change some leads over?
Yeah, Roger, no problems really on full power, although the band seems very noisy tonight and absolutely nothing on low power.
So it's fine, right. Give me a minute and I'll just swap some wires down.
Yeah, I'll just tell you that the S meter's reading between the bottom and none, so that's how it is on full power.
Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Okay, we're now running through the SPR meter, and I'm getting an inferior signal back from you, over.
Right, signal to me is about the same, I'd say.
Okay, I'm going to have to put it back to normal because it's virtually unreadable.
Yeah, roger that.
Tango 21 back at normal.
Yeah, roger that. It wasn't really any different to me with the SWA meter in line, so just goes to show.
That's a jolly good test because it really went down at this end. So the meter's working fine, but it's not recommended you have them in line anyway, and it just proves what insertion loss does. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Academy CB502 or CB702, whatever it's called. Don't know what current it's drawing, but on the test it was 860 milliamps for the 3.5 watts output. I'm going to reach my hand around the back and switch it to 400 to low power, which in this case is just over 200 milliwatts. There wasn't a countdown. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, back to full power. There we are back at full power. Sorry about no countdown, it was easier than I expected. So did you get that one? And then we'll change some leads over.
Yeah, Roger, no problem really on full power, although the band seems very noisy tonight and absolutely nothing on low power.
Absolutely fine, right. Just give me a minute and I'll just swap some wires around.
Yeah, I did tell you that the test meter reading between the bottom and
Tango 21, Mr Chippie. Okay, we're now running through the SWR meter and I'm getting an inferior signal back from you, over. Okay, I'm going to have to put it back to normal because it's virtually unreadable. Tango 21 back at normal.
Yeah, roger that. It wasn't really any different to me with the SWA meter in line, so
That's a jolly good test because it really went down at this end. So the meter's working fine, but it's not recommended you have them in line anyway, and it just proves what insertion loss does. Right, off you go when you're ready.
yeah, roger that.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that, got you on the move.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Yeah, we got you,
Yeah, 147.9, 149.9.
Roger on that. Anyway, that works fine for a GT848. So thank you for the test.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
1010.
Roger, got you going over Rorsby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Yeah, 147.9, 149.9.
Roger on that. Anyway, that worked fine for a GT868. So thank you for the test.
Yeah, roger that.
1010. So, that just goes to show, hopefully we'll have been able to edit in my side when I switched to SWR meter and show that the insertion loss made his signal nearly unreadable. So, it just goes to show. Now, when radios have built-in SWR meters, there shouldn't be any loss at all. It's because you've got all these plugs and sockets extra, and that the PL259 SO239 combination can be lossy. So there we go. That is the Academy CB502 or 702, whatever it's called, in the Merit CB700 base station. And we'll go over to our Midland 76900 base station and see what it sounds like into that.
Tango 21 testing into the Midland 76900 base station using the standard replacement mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the pop it on low power for a hum test. Subject to finding the low power switch. There we are on low power doing 200 milliwatts. And we'll go back to normal power. And there we are back on normal power. So there you are, that's the Academy radio which we've been servicing and married up with the Merit base station adapter CB700. Hope you found that interesting. Thanks for watching.